The crypto markets have dropped significantly after the CPI report and the interest rate hikes were released over the last couple of days. And today I'm going to be talking to you about Ethereum and see where we went and where we're going next. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As I said, today I'm going to be talking to you about Ethereum. Let's dive straight into the charts. Before I do, though, I just want to let you know all the tools that you're about to see me use can be accessed at the links in the description under membership options here. You get over 110 charts split between 20 cryptocurrencies, as well as many other benefits right here, including the Morning Brew overview, where we do all the work to accumulate important information for you. We also have our live Zoom coaching every single month, and it's happening today, Thursday, December 15th. So if you want to join us today at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, be sure to grab your membership and get access. Let's dive into the analysis. I'm checking out Ethereum on the tradeconfident.io website, and I'm just going to run through all the metrics. The emotional index tracks emotional sentiment in the market, and typically when we see the sentiment chart outlined in blue here push up into the excited or greedy territory, this is when we tend to see moves down in the market, and as we push into fearful territory, this is when we tend to see moves up. Now, we just got out of excited territory, in which we did see the expected drop here. We're pushing into neutral territory now, so we will likely see a little bit of sideways movement going forward. Next up, we have Ethereum long versus short trades, and this chart is going to tell you pretty much where the sentiment in the market is. We have a lot of long traders. There's more long trade money than short trade money in the market right now. Both of them are pretty much parallel and moving sideways, so it's difficult to report anything here. At the moment, though, it looks like there may be a very slight uptick here in short trades, which is part of what resulted in the move down. The smart money metric will show you where whales are likely to put their money in the market. Yesterday, we got a huge orange bar to the downside. This showed high short sentiment for whales. This means whales were very likely to put money into short trades, and that's exactly what happened, and again, resulted in the move down. This is likely where the high volume of short trades came from here. It's not much of an uptick here, but it is there, and that's probably from whales themselves. Next up, we have the breakout detector. This is going to tell you when a breakout is likely. If we see an impulse move here, if the green bars are in the impulse area, this is where we're likely to see a big move in either direction. Now, this one won't tell you which direction it will go. It'll just tell you that it is likely to happen. If we're in consolidation, it means the price is likely to move sideways for a time, as it did right here. If we're in impulse, it means we're likely to see moves up like we did here. Currently, we're in the middle. This again shows likely somewhat sideways, somewhat neutral movement. Next up is the major support and resistance level chart. This is going to show you high levels of support and resistance based on tops and bottoms in the market. Now, yesterday we surpassed a 1,311 resistance level, but since we have dropped back down much closer to the $1,220 support level. As you can see right here, the price was $1,271 at the time of screenshotting, and we are maintaining the $1,220 support level. Last but not least is the daily trade scanner. Now, this is actually where we got a sell signal on Ethereum, and we saw the move down immediately after that. This was a great call from the Ethereum daily trade scanner, and we are moving back below, or at least using this blue line as structure support. If the price structure is above the blue line, it means we're in an uptrend. If it's below, we're in a downtrend. And right now, we're pretty much using it as structure support. We're right on the line, so it's going to indicate some sideways movement as we see here. The metrics are on the 1-day time frame. Let's get a closer look and check out the 4-hour. Right now, I'm looking at Ethereum USD on the 4-hour time frame, checking out the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. These are the indicators we use every single day to trade. Again, to get access to all the tools you see in this video, links are in the description. If you click the indicator link, it'll bring you to this page. The best possible deal is to purchase the bundle pack to get access to 9 of Trade Confidence indicators, including the price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. It'll also come with a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal. Buying them all with that $400 off coupon gets you the best possible deal and is actually cheaper than just these two when purchased alone. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access, one-time payment, full dedicated email support. Checking out the chart here, Ethereum has fallen back into the symmetrical triangle and is now using this ascending support line as structure support. We got a great sell signal right at the top of 1,350. This is where we predicted it was going to go, and it has since dropped down. Now, in yesterday's video, I expected a drop to about $1,300, and we actually fell much farther than that, with the current price sitting at $1,270. The trend exhaustion is very low on its chart in the bottom red territories. This is a very bullish sentiment. Price versus well money flow is about in the middle of its chart. It means we could go in either direction. It has room to move in either direction at least, but since the trend exhaustion is low, it means we are probably likely to move up, especially with this ascending support line. Once we do get that move up, I do expect to test structure resistance at about 1,280, somewhere maybe 1,290, and then the next one again will be a resistance level. Let's actually change this to resistance. It'll become a resistance level of $1,300. So I think that's probably within the range of 1,290 to 1,300 is about where we're looking to move next. The one-day metrics for Ethereum today looked fairly neutral, to be honest. However, on the 4-hour time frame, once we got a closer look, we saw a lot more bullish sentiment from the ascending structure support on that symmetrical triangle pattern. We're right at that level. The price versus well money flow is in the middle, so it has some room to move in either direction. However, the trend exhaustion is in its bottom red territories, and this shows a likely move up very, very soon, likely within the next 1 to 6 candles. The immediate structure resistances to take a look at are at $1,280 and $1,300, and I think the price of Ethereum is going to be moving within that range very, very quickly. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. One last time, if you want to get access to any of the trading tools you saw in this video, you can get it in the link in the description. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.